Michael, Dave, John is the 1, 2, 3, followed by Nick, Dan, Derek. Michael's the only one on 13-lap pace. Dave's on a 12. John's on 11. Nick and Dan on a 10. All right, race number 3, heat 2. Race number 3, heat 2. You guys can start making your way up to the track. Race number 3, heat 2. Got 59 seconds to go, drivers. 59 seconds to go. John come rolling through with a 51.2 that last lap. Still on a 10-lap pace with 15 seconds to go here, drivers. 15 seconds remaining. Race number 3, heat 2. Race number 3, heat 2. Will be the second heat of 5T. That's the second heat of 5T. You guys should be starting to make your way into the track right now. Time has expired, drivers. Continue crossing the line, so I'll call you done. Nobody has done it this time. Nobody has done.